cook pasta in red wine. So I'm gonna put half of this, or about 1 pound, into very salted water. You want the water itself to have flavor. In the pan, I've already got some good EVOO. And then we're going to melt our butter into the olive oil over moderate heat. And then we're going to add an entire bulb of garlic that I've grated, or you can finely chop. And some coarse black pepper. And a little salt in with the garlic as well to flavor our sauce. We swirl this around just to get the garlic kind of going in the butter and olive oil. And then you're going to put in an entire bottle of red wine. I like to use a Rosso di Montalcino from Tuscany. It doesn't have to be super expensive. You're going to set a separate timer for this. The wine should reduce 3 minutes. So about 2 minutes after you drop this, that's when you want to bring this up to a boil and let it cook down for 3 minutes. Right before we drain the pasta, we reserve some of the salty, starchy cooking liquid to marry the pasta with the sauce. We're going to finish cooking this 5-minute spaghetti in our red wine. This has been reducing 3 minutes. Then we put all of the pasta in with that, and it will absorb and finish cooking right down in that glorious hot mess. And aside from the beautiful color, there's so much flavor in this dish. It's so simple and so delicious. While that's working, bubbling away, we're going to take our toasted walnuts and chop those up. Always when you're cooking with nuts or seeds, take the time to toast them because it fully develops their flavor. We run our knife through our walnuts. I just added 1 cup of Pecorino cheese, a couple of good fat handfuls, and we stir vigorously to coat the pasta with that nice tangy salty cheese. And then we're going to put in lots of grassy parsley and lots of chopped nuts. I know. It is just delicious. And look at that, huh?